So it is Thursday. We're back. Still kind of wet, ground kind of mushy on us, but we got this side open, cleared out. We're gonna build these boulder walls. Got a couple of these big ones here, big behemoth there. And the guys are working on removing that upper railroad tie wall. So progress being made today. My hopes is I want this wall completely done, finished. We're unloading the extra material back there, and that's how we're going. So let me know what you think. You'll see a time lapse right about now. Didn't finish the wall, got pretty close, got this last area. We got all the excess boulders out. I have material here and here, and the last little bit in the front. I'll bring that in the morning, get that done. We've got to reattach this fence. Yeah, that's some of our AstroTurf we gave this client a while back. So, show you the other side. Walls are all done up in there. Got this area cleaned out a bit. They got the upper wall pulled out, and they got railroad ties started. We just got to get it compacted in the morning because it was still kind of soggy, and set those, and then get that wall built up there. So that's where we are. Good morning. So it is Friday. It's actually Pandemonium Day, but I am working. Yeah, we have this project, and we have to get it done. We had hurricane that delayed us the very end of last week, and then the whole beginning of this week. And yesterday, Thursday, was the first day we could get back in here because it was so wet. I mean, and you can even see this area is still wet. So we're gonna finish building these boulder walls. Got a little part down there. They're finishing, or starting and finishing today, a wall up there. Then we got to get ourselves out of here and cleaned up. So this little dead tree is very persistent. Practice swings. Enough that John has to get the axe on it. Root in there that does not want to let go, even though this thing has been dead forever. Pulled the machine on it, it did not want to move. Doesn't want to give way for you, huh? That's how our Friday's going. Oh, I think we got it. And so like that, we are finished. We finished this 50-ton worth of boulders, going all the way back in there. You can't even see where it continues. Across here, and all the way down across there. And then a railroad tie wall going into it. So, probably some of the hottest days of the year. We're all finished and off to the next one.